A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jnana Bharati. We think that you must have learnt everything what we teach you through PDFs and videos. It is a matter of great joy that the curriculum of pre-midterm examination is over now. Now you have to prepare the fair copies. You already know that our marks are divided into two phases. One is through fair copies and another is through pen paper test. As it is the time of corona period, we are facing lockdown, so we have decided that we will organize our pre-midterm examination online, and the first phase of it will be of fair copies. You have to submit your fair copies to our fee counter. I request our prestigious, our honorable, our venerable guardians, as their children are kids still now, so they are requested to help them in this way. They will submit their fair copies to our fee counter. We have divided classes by dates. LKG to 2. Guardians will submit the fair copies of their wards on 10/8/2020 on Monday. As we already know that our Janmashtami falls on 11th, so fair copies of class 3 to 6 will be submitted on 12 August 2020. In the same way, 7th and 8th on 13th August and 9th and 10th on 14th August. Fair copies will come to us. When fair copies will come to us, we will evaluate them, we will give marks to them, and in this way our guardians and our students will know their progress. They can take the help of PDFs and videos also. Now, as we have decided that our online examination will take place after 16th August 2020. So, we invite you all to compile, to collect all your doubts and confusions and put them into the comment box of today by 10th August 2020. Remember, doubts and confusions must come to us with class and subject. Subject, suppose you have a doubt in physics and you are the student of class 10th. So you have to write class 10th, subject physics, electricity, and then you have to put your question. Then we will further satisfy you. So the clarification day, doubts and confusions will be clarified just after it. So remember, just after 10th August, we will not receive any your confusions and doubts. We have a scarcity of time. So you have to put your doubts and confusions by 10th August at every cost and at any cost. Then we will answer them. We have decided also that we will start a demo session. demonstration class, how to put your answers online. Suppose today is the examination of mathematics, so we will send you some questions, some very objective questions, questions carrying 1 marks will be sent to you at 11 o'clock. You will be given 1 hour, 11 to 12. You have to answer them within 1 hour. Thereafter, I will give you 15 minutes or 30 minutes to post them. You have to post within your limit, within the deadline. You can't post your answer secondly. So be careful. And after it, we will also show a demo session before the online examination. Suppose we start our online classes on 17th August. Then we must show a demo session on 14th August because 15th August is our Independence Day. So remember, you have to labor hard, you have to fetch marks. We are with you. God bless you. Take care and read and only read. God bless you.